Today we're making some delicious savory spoon drop bites together, easy to prepare and above all, amazingly tasty. Meanwhile, you watch the video and I'll do the tasting. Let's start this delicious recipe right away by putting the eggs in the bowl. The salt. Let's start whisking. With a whisk or with a fork, it's fine either way. Add the milk to the eggs. Let's mix again. And the oil. You can also replace it with butter if you like. And at this point, we can add our ingredients to the eggs. As you can see, I have chopped some Napoli-style salami and some cooked ham. But you can use any type of cold cuts you have available. What a wonderful smell! And then also some cheese that I had in the fridge. Emmental, provolone, basically whatever you like. And we add all the ingredients a little at a time. So we add the cooked ham and salami. Of course, the cheese cut into small pieces. Some good Parmesan cheese. A pinch of pepper. Let's mix everything together. And now all that's left is to combine the flour with some baking powder. I'm using instant baking powder for savory pies. But it's perfectly fine. If you don't have that one, you can use the instant baking powder for desserts as well. So please, I add the baking powder to the flour and start incorporating it into the dough. Another thing, I wanted to say that if you like, you can also add some herbs to the dough. Like sage, rosemary, basically basil. Whatever you want. I make it plain like this because I prefer it that way. So let's finish our dough. Yes, let's add it a little at a time and mix it in. Did you see how simple this dough is? Quick and above all, really delicious. And here it is, our dough is ready. As you can see, it's soft but compact, okay? Beautiful. I lined it. A baking tray with parchment paper, and now with the 2-spoon method. Very simple, right? Let's make our little mounds. Cute, pretty, all of them, everything. So let's take a good amount of dough. Obviously, the amount of dough, the size of the spoonful is up to you. A little more or a little less, it depends on how many you want to make. But with this amount, you'll get quite a few. Speaking of quantities, there are a lot of people who tell me they can't find the ingredient amounts, of the ingredients. And I always explain that you can find the quantities both in the video and below in the description. So that means maybe they're skipping steps and not seeing the text, like this on the screen. The quantities always appear. So please make sure to watch the video carefully. That way you'll see the quantities right away too. Or you can click below the video on the title and the whole description will come up. Scroll up a bit and you'll find the quantities listed below, okay? And here we go. Our little mounds are ready. And now all that's left is to put them in the oven. See how beautiful this recipe is, how simple it is, and above all, how delicious it is. And here they are, our little rustic snacks have come out of the oven. I baked them at 180 degrees for 20 minutes on the convection setting. They look so beautiful. What a wonderful smell. They look amazing, guys. They're really delicious, so fragrant. My mouth is already watering. And now we just have to let them cool down a bit, then bring them to the table and enjoy them. In the meantime, I'm going to enjoy them right now. Oh my goodness. Let's see. Friends, what can I say? You just have to try it for yourselves. And after this wonderful little taste, I say goodbye and send you all a big hug.